Homeowners in South Jordan, did you know that Rocky Mountain Power is expected to raise their rates 10% this coming January? But you can stop them, and you can have control over your energy costs by getting solar panels installed at no cost to you. You'll get your power from the sun. Now, what that's going to do for you is it's going to make your meter actually run backwards. That's going to put a credit on your bill, so you never have to pay Rocky Mountain Power again. Plus, you're going to get paid for all the excess power that your system produces. If you'd like to see exactly how much you can save, $100, $200, even $300 a month, just click the link below or somewhere around this video. You can still watch the video you came here for. It'll just take you to a new window. We'll ask you a few quick questions. Make sure your home qualifies. So in as little as 30 seconds or less, you're going to find out exactly how much you can save and how much you can get paid for going solar this year. But it is expiring soon, so if you'd like to see exactly how much you can save, just click the link and we'll talk to you soon.